Douglas and your traffic leader, KRLD.
Now we head over to the KRLD Weather Center and get the latest on these warnings from KRLD Chief Meteorologist Bob Guzman. Bob?
We still have the same severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Tarrant and eastern sections of Johnson County. That newer warning for the southern half of Dallas, northern third of Ellis County. Really only one big storm to talk about. We've had reports of 60-mile-per-hour winds moving out of Mansfield, even in Grand Prairie. We've had reports of 60-mile-per-hour winds. Have not had many reports of hail. It does look like the hail worth any consequence, let's say nickel-sized, quarter size, are to the south, down between Alvarado and the Briar Oaks area. That's where the hail core is. But if you are in Dallas County, let's say south of Dallas, Dallas is going to get the thunderstorm. They're just not going to get severe weather. But south of Cockrell Hill to Duncanville, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, you have started to see the rain, the gusty winds, but the strongest winds and the hail potential will be to your south. I'd say the highest risk of wind is... What do you think?
It doesn't really go right.
Wait, how you lock it? How you lock the window? You don't know? Oh yeah. Sure. Keep it halted.
Scary. Are you recording the bush now?
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Who's this?
Save today at the local Whole Foods Market. Get a 3-pound bag of organic navel oranges for just $3.99 each through this Tuesday. And get muscat grapes for just $2.99 per pound. Visit Whole Foods Market of the healthiest grocery store. With traffic and weather together on the way to the first 6:20.
You put your finger there too if you want. Bro.
Heavy rain now falling on much of Dallas County as it continues to push through. Let's get the latest from the Weather Center. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bob Gooseman.
Wow, that's
You mentioned Dallas County,
terrifying.
even though the southern half of the county
This
is
storm.
under a severe thunderstorm warning, I cannot find any weather that matches severe criteria. So the storm continues to weaken a little bit. The north side of the storm. The south side, especially down in the central and northern, northeastern parts of Johnson County, still pretty intense. I'm looking at a hail core just north of Alvarado.
Where's the
To me, it's got potential quarter
brain go? So I go to YouTube. I can do it.
That's moving to the east. It'll move into the Venus area, perhaps just south of Midlothian in the next 15, 20 minutes or so. The section of the storm that's leaving Tarrant County and into Dallas County, just heavy rain and some gusty winds, but I'm not seeing any hail. If it is, it would be they're pea-sized or smaller. And that is it. As far as radar is concerned, I'm going to zoom out here a little bit. This is, for the most part, if there are storms developing to the south and southeast, but that's in the warm sector where the...
new weather.
It tends to stabilize things.
Yeah.
And that's what we're seeing. Earlier, we talked about the
Don't want to miss
severe thunderstorm.
I'm waiting for this for a long time, so I don't want to miss it out. I get recorded.
I'm not convinced we're going to see much rough weather after this. Just a few scattered thunderstorms. There is a possibility tonight, as the cold front catches up with this, there might be an isolated thunderstorm, but that would be about it. So we'll see what the weather service is going to do with this watch in southern Dallas County. It expires, let's see. It expires in 38 minutes, so I don't think they would leave a watch up that long if there's not going to be severe weather with it. So unless this changes and it gets stronger, you're going to get a pretty good thunder shower, southern part of Dallas County, but nothing severe. If you are down in Ellis County, though, the storm moving out of Johnson County into Ellis County, remember, towards Midlothian, that one is a bit stronger and does have hail. So we'll continue to watch these for the next couple of hours until they are out of here. I'm Chief Meteorologist Bob Gooseman in the KRLD Weather Center.
73 at KRLD.
6:22 now at KRLD, and it's time for your CJ Spotlight with David Johnson, a service of Texas Mutual Insurance.
Clear conscience.
One business going. I don't seem to have a real common strain other than I like to do things that are fun and exciting and enjoyable, and by and large I've been just super blessed.
of their lives.
To learn more about our return to work program, go to worksavetexas.com. News Radio 1080 KRLD.
At 6:28, we've got some trouble in Tarrant County. Let's start there, and an update on 183 with Julian Rogers.
Well, everything's status quo, unfortunately, and that's going to be 2 lanes blocked. 183 westbound at Exeter, and it's heavy delays coming from Dallas County, so we're pretty much backed up into Irving. 30 minutes plus on that, along with the slick roads. And actually, as we speak, this is clearing out of the way, so but hopefully not for too long. 20 westbound, 1187, that's out in the heading to Aledo. We've got an accident, not blocking any lanes, but still has
We still got heavy delays on 35 starting at the Bush Turnpike in Carrollton all the way through Louisville. You can expect delays up to Justin Road on the Dallas North Tollway northbound. That is still sluggish. Bush Turnpike all the way up to 121 southbound. A bit of a delay from Boston on down to the Bush Turnpike. 75 northbound through Plano is still rolling heavy. Bush Turnpike all the way up to just past Legacy. This report brought to you by Cintas. Rainy days mean slippery and dirty floors. Some storms are in the forecast. Are you ready? Let Cintas help get you there. Cintas is your source for fresh bath and cleaning programs, keeping your business ready. Get started at Cintas.com. Cintas, ready for the workday. It's traffic and weather together on the 8 your next report 6:38. I'm Debbie Douglas. I'm your traffic leader, KRLD.
News, traffic, and weather. All news, all day. News Radio 1080 KRLD. Your news now. Severe storms this evening as our coverage continues in North Texas. It is team coverage at 6:30 with Tasia Stevens. I'm Chris Summer. And our team coverage begins in the KRLD Weather Center. Got a brand new warning. Here's Chief Meteorologist Bob Gooseman.
Yes, we do. That is down to the south. Remember, I told you the strongest part of the storm is down in Johnson County, moving into Ellis County. I will say, just got word from the Weather Service, the severe thunderstorm warning for Dallas County. They are going to let it rise through 7 p.m., even though there is no real severe weather, just some lightning, some heavy rain, but everything below severe criteria, but they're going to let that rise until 7. The new warning covers a good part of the northern and northwestern part of Ellis County, and it expires, it goes for a full hour. And this is a good one. This is a good reason they've got this warning, because I've been looking at this hail product on our Doppler radar. The product itself, to me, is producing baseball-sized hail between Alvarado and Venus. And that's not good, because there's Highway 67 that runs through there. So there's probably car damage going on right now on Highway 67. We did get a report here from Alvarado, let's see, is quarter-size hail, then it went to golf ball size hail. This was just about 4 minutes ago, and this latest scan, I'm seeing the potential for a hail even larger than golf ball. Next step up would be baseball size, below that size. That's between Alvarado and Venus. Now again, that is in Johnson County. That storm's moving to the east at 40 miles per hour. That will take it into Ellis County. That's the reason that new warning just went up for that county. So you'll see showers and thunder showers a good part of Dallas County, but under severe limits. But if you're heading south, let's say taking 35 south and then 67 south through Ellis County, especially 67, and if you're, let's say, in the Midlothian area, I would slow down, take a stop, pull off at a rest area, wait for that storm that is to the southwest of Midlothian, near Alvarado, between Alvarado and Venus. I would let that storm pass. If you take 67 south out of Midlothian, you're going to run into a hail core with hail larger than golf ball. Maybe it's a baseball size. Not worth taking that drive down there. That storm, guys, moving to the east and kind of southeast too, at about 30, 40 miles per hour. Just a few showers back to Fort Worth, and besides that, all is clear. Will we see rain development later on? I don't think so, even though the watch goes until 1 a.m. I think the big threat will be east of us, and they have issued a tornado watch for extreme East Texas. So that's where the bulk of the severe weather will be, and states to our east and northeast during the day tomorrow. could be a very active day. So downtown, getting some rain and thunderstorms, but the biggest part of this storm moving from Johnson into Ellis County, storm with potential golf ball to maybe up to baseball size hail moving into the Venus area. Has been a storm moving through Ellis County. Now, we've had some wind gusts. Even those wind gusts now seem to be a little bit farther south of the county of Midlothian. The biggest concern seems to be the hail core with that storm. Moved right over Highway 67 about 30 minutes ago between Alvarado and Venus. Now, this hail core is as off south hail between Venus and Mayfair. Southeast. Northeastern Johnson County, because they had some training of the cells, which means a couple of thunderstorms moved over the same area, so there was reports of some minor flooding in that area. But besides that, back to the west, there are showers in Fort Worth, but west and northwest of that, the weather has really quieted down. There were storms. They have been weakening, and for the most part, falling apart, maybe in part because this cluster of thunderstorms that has moved through in the last hour or two has stabilized the atmosphere for a bit. So hopefully things will calm down for the night once this moves off to the east and southeast. We still have a cold front that has to come through late tonight, but I just don't think a lot will happen. Maybe an isolated storm with that. And if we can get by with just what we're seeing now, we would have dodged the bullet, because it will get really nasty in East Texas overnight and Louisiana and the states northeast of us over the next day to day and a half.
Bob, thank you for the update. That's KRLD Chief Meteorologist Bob Goose. We're in the 60s at KRLD. All news, all day. News Radio 1080 KRLD.
Well, Karen County General Home using a little dark humor to remind people not to text and drive. KRLD's Christy Michael explains. Billboards for Lucas Stanley's funeral home support the same message across the Fort Worth area. Don't text and drive. We can. Mark Lucas Kelly and his cousins were trying to come up with a fresh billboard.
Fly left, flies left. Input says.
good on Tidwell? Yeah, oh, it's far. Not too far, dude. You're down.
That sounds secure. I mean, it's Jake, stop. She go here to look at the camera.
Machine. Or do you... Okay, Google. Wait. Keep drawing the radio, please, because we're have my other camera pointed to the sky to catch the lightning.
Hi.
Well, you're stay away from the windows.
Okay. Do you stay with me?
Do it. But
Bye.
we're trying to do what video?
East Loop 820 got a wreck that Scotches Slow back to Barry. This report brought to you by Amtrak. Once-in-a-lifetime journeys depart daily. See where the train can take you. Instead of brake lights and street signs, see the American countryside. Take Amtrak from Dallas to Tucson or Little Rock for as low as $50. Go to Amtrak.com and see where the train can take you. Restrictions apply. With traffic and weather together on the HNX Report 728. I'm Debbie Douglas, I'm your traffic leader, KRLD.
From the KRLD Weather Center, severe thunderstorm warning is still in effect until 7:30 for northwestern Ellis County. And from what we're seeing on the 1080 weather radar, the activity down near Waxahachie is still pretty strong. A lot of heavy rain, some hail as well, some gusty winds. So we'll see if this warning is extended. For now, the warning for northwestern Ellis County runs for another 10 minutes.
Rain tonight, 62 the low. Sunny tomorrow, looking nice, 74 the high. More clouds on Friday and cooler with a high of 61. But sunny on the weekend with highs in the 70s. And on Monday for the Rangers opening day, looking sunny and warm with a high of 82. Right now it's 66.
All news, all day. News Radio 1080 KRLD. A federal judge today sentenced a Plano man to 25 years in prison for operating a film mill. 9-year-old Theodore Okichuku.
back.
Back.
Yeah, Devin did.
What did I say?
She said the Devin was at the back.
Yeah.
She said you guys got the back. Outside of the back here.
Please, I got it.